How to fix Messenger not opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger not opening on Android phone. First, open settings and then click apps and apps again. Now go to Messenger and then storage. Now click this one, clear cache, click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, go to permissions, enable all of those here and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to go to storage, clear messenger data, and your problem will be fixed. Just clear data. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.